Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable beta updates on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to enable beta updates for your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So now to do this, you can install Apple Developer app in your iPhone, or you can also open your browser, go for search, and here simply search for Apple Developer. So once you have searched, just open the first website from here. And here you have to try to log in with your Apple ID. Now to do this, just tap on two horizontal lines in the top left, then tap on account, and here just wait for the next page until it loads. Here you have to log in with your Apple ID, so just tap on this. Here I'm going to use my passkey here, but you can try to use or enter your email address and then your password, and after that you will be logged in with the Apple developer. So now once you have done, you just have to go back from here, open the settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you will get beta update section here. Just tap on it and then select iOS developer beta updates. Once you have done, you might get beta updates in your iPhone. So in this way, you can easily enable beta updates on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.